Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This video will hopefully be the final video of installing the Krator fairing on the 1997 Honda Shadow VT 1100. What I plan on doing in this video is getting the headlight all finished up. You can see the headlights in there. You can see it's taped in there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from the bike just so then I can get to the back, show you guys what I've done. Instead of taking it all off in one unit, I'm gonna kind of divide it up. This is what I've got kind of rigged up. So behind the scenes, what I did was trace this part out and I cut it off. Doing that, it gave me at least an inch and a half to work with. I'm gonna notch this out right here for power cord for the headlight. I went and I cut out the area here where the wire. Still got to go back and clean up all this edge. Alright, so it's pretty late at night, and after doing a little bit of Googling and stuff while I was watching TV, I think I may have figured out how I'm going to mount my headlight. I've got the one side done. Let me show you. My original idea was to either make a bracket from here to the top of the light or from here to the bottom of the light. What I came up with, I had these bushings from the saddlebags that were on my bike. What I thought is exactly how I've got it mocked up on the one side. This one right here will sit in there somewhere. Been a few days since I shot the last part of the video. Today, I'm gonna finish mounting it. So then tomorrow, I can run to the local hardware store, get the shit I need for the electrical. In the next video, it'll be me test riding it.
How it's supposed to feel.
I had to re-drill the hole on this side. The next day, I went and bought myself some mail and female connectors along with a little bit of electrical tape. All I'm gonna do is take this that plugs into the back of the headlight, put a male or female connector on each one of these 3 wires, and then either male or female I will put on the wire harness. I know it would be better if I were to solder the wires together. So I got it all wired up. I didn't show that part because I know some people would lose their mind knowing the way that I did it. I haven't seen it yet. Hopefully the wires are hooked up the right way. Let's turn the key on and see what happens. Moment of truth. Are you guys ready? Nice. Before the battery dies though, I should really start this thing up. It's been a while. I think I got it tilted down a little. Bring it down to about here. Got a couple other things I want to do, but I think I'm done with this video. The only one other video I have to make for this, and that's the test ride video. Wait till next week. Depending on when you're seeing this, the test ride video may be already up. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, keep your shiny side up and ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.